कॉल नहीं उठाएगा, ईमेल्स का भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा. एक बार सोच के मंगाएं. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it will be a try on haul for Street Style Fashion Store, which is an Instagram based store. So let's get started. Talking about this store is in Delhi, but they ship all over India, so we can shop from their website. They have the most trendy pieces of clothing and footwear, and there are few other stuff as well. I haven't shopped for and I haven't shopped for anything else other than clothing, but I am planning to shop for footwears and will make a review video about that as well later on. But for now, let's get started with the clothing. Also, I'll be sharing my experience with them because there are few things which are really pathetic about this store, because yeah, they are. I'll talk about them in the later part of the video, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So starting with the haul, they have few offers going on their website all the time. So I shopped from three of their offers. One was for 3 for 999, which is 3 tops for 999. The second one was 3 tops for 799, which is like 800, 3 tops for 800. And one was their combo deal, that's like an everyday deal. It's not necessary कि वो रोज रहेगा, but yeah, so these were like few offers, and there are many such offers going on their site, not just for clothing, also for the footwear, also for boots, shoes, flats and everything. So make sure you check their website once. So talking about the first clothes which I got from the deal in 3 for 999, which is one top is for 300, and this is how the top looks like. This is one of my favorite purchases. I wore this for my birthday. This looked really amazing and everybody loved it then. And also recently I wore this for one of my reel video which went viral. When I say viral, right now it has 950k plays, and till that time you're watching this video it might have hit 1 million plays on Instagram. So I'm really glad that you guys are showing so much love there. So I'm glad. And अभी तक जिसने follow नहीं किया है वहाँ जाके अभी कर लो. And वो video का comment section was like filled with the question कि where is this first top from, where is this first top from, which size you ordered this top from on, and there were many questions related to this top. So here I am answering all of them. So talking about the size, I got this in L because in that photo this part of the top, which is this niche ka, looked too small, so I didn't want it to be like a complete crop top, and I'm not really comfortable in those crop tops. So I wanted that part like this part to be a bit larger, so I ordered in double my size from S to L. So very smart of me. But बाकी top का fitting was really good other than these sleeves, क्योंकि ये sleeves obviously बड़े हैं, that's why they fall off. But you can easily tuck in into your inner because यहाँ का जो part है it's already ruffled type का, so पता नहीं चलता है, and it looks like much more puffier, तो वो और better look देता है. So if you are going for this top and you are in my size, then go for M, not S, not definitely S, but go for M and not L. And if you go for L by chance, then you have the jugaad right now. So moving on to the second top, which was under this same deal, which is 3 for 999, which is this square neck top. This too looks really amazing. Make sure that every top you go for in this website, go for a size larger than your original size. I would recommend, because थोड़ा मतलब obviously you're just paying 300 or 400 for each top hardly, and थोड़ा सा quality का रहेगा ही, तो थोड़े से श्रिंकी मटेरियल रहता है, नॉट आफ्टर वॉश, पहले से ही वो थोड़ा फिटेड रहता है. तो इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द ओवर फिटेड क्लोथ्स या ओवर क्रॉप्ड और ये सब, सो जस्ट गो फॉर अ साइज बिगर. This is in M. This is like the perfect size because this fits really well. The only issue is the color which I saw on website was this, and what I got was this. This is also not bad. This is like a wine color maybe. This too looks good, but I was expecting that, so that was the only part. This top disappointed me. Other than it's really good. It's again for 333. So the last top which I got in this deal was this high neck white full sleeves top. This too looks amazing, and it has this छोटा सा detail stomach type पे side पे, and yeah, the material is also good. It's slightly ट्रांसपेरेंट जब लाइट पड़ता है तो, बट वैसे तो इट्स रियली सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. इवन इसको विंटर्स में भी लेयर करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. समर्स में तो डायरेक्टली वी कैन वेयर, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छा है इसका मटेरियल एंड एवरीथिंग. सो यस, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट डील विच वॉज 799 for 3 tops. So the first top which I got in that deal was this orange color spaghetti. I got this in size M. This is like too cropped. I usually wear high-waisted jeans and all, so M ka size was really good. And again, this is also lavender spaghetti. It's similar to this, but I got this in size S. तो दिस इज़ टू क्रॉप्ड. अभी वीडियो में तो नहीं पता चल रहा है. ऑब्वियसली आई कैन वेयर दिस, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट आउटसाइड माई होम आई वुड probably not wear that, and I will maybe wear this with layering of clothes and everything. So go for a size bigger, as I mentioned earlier. This top का color is so amazing and full summer वाली vibe दे रहा है. So this is amazing. And this top was for 254 rupees, so it's good. The quality is also nice, and yeah. The second top which I got under the same deal was this. This tee is a big disappointment because the color, the only reason why I ordered this was the color. It looked like this on the website, but ये ऐसा आया है which is completely different, and it's like a plain top right now. Night suit वाला top लग रहा है. Also this one is under one size. They have like थोड़े tops में ना, they have like 2 options for sizes. First option is extra small, small and medium together, and then second is में medium, large and extra large together. So I went for extra small, small and medium. तो if I am in size small, तो मुझे तो ये नॉर्मली फिट हुआ लाइक प्रॉपरली, बट इफ समवन हु वेयर्स मीडियम यूजुअली, तो देन गो फॉर द सेकेंड स्लॉट. सो द नेक्स्ट टॉप अंडर द सेम डील वॉज दिस क्रॉप टॉप ब्लैक. दिस लुक्स रियली अमेजिंग एंड इट्स रियली थिक आउट ऑफ द स्लॉट. व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक बाकी सब तो लाइक फ्लोई पॉलिएस्टर मटेरियल था, क्योंकि वो टॉप का टाइप ही वैसा है, बट कंपेयर टू दिस टी, this one has really thick material and really good, and no one can say that this is for like 250 rupees because it's really good. This is in size M. So I got these 2 lavender tops from them. The first one was this spaghetti which I talked to you about earlier. I got this in size S. Then the second thing is this. This is again the one size wala thing, small, extra small and medium together. So again, a person in medium can never get fit into this because it's too small. This is like a fitting for me being S. So अगर कोई M है तो definitely go with the bigger size. And also I won't recommend this top to you guys, like this whole set, because it's too transparent. So the last thing which I shopped from them was this cute powder blue top. This top is also really good. Again, the only issue with this is the transparency, because after wearing it's like too fitted and it's slightly more transparent than it's supposed to be. So you may go for this top, but go for a size bigger so that वो transparency का over transparency ना लगे. So yeah, that's about it. So now answering to all of your questions. They have the trendy pieces, but at the same time they have few issues like the delivery. It's like a headache. अगर एक बार मंगा दिया तो just भूल जाओ कि मंगाया है, क्योंकि it will take 30-40 days to deliver. In their website they have mentioned 5 to 21 days to dispatch, and they really mean it. After 21 days they literally dispatch, and then delivery will take more time, of course. So for the first parcel I received, like the first parcel took 21 days to deliver, and the second one took more than 30 days or almost 40 days to deliver. So एक बार order करके भूल जाओ basically. ऐसा नहीं कि they won't deliver, authenticated है, obviously they'll deliver, but it takes months to deliver. And also their customer service is not really good. एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर है, उस पर भी कोई कॉल नहीं उठाएगा, ईमेल्स का भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा. सो दे टेक रियली बैड points on delivery, customer service. And the third thing is the return policy. They don't have return policy. Either you can exchange or you can just get a credit note issued, and वो credit note से you can shop from their store वापस से. I haven't really returned or exchanged anything, so I don't have an experience of that. So just mentioning it out, एक बार सोच के मंगाना, and make sure you get a size larger than your original size. And I think that's about it. That was all my experience and try on haul for Street Style store. So I hope you guys found it helpful and you enjoyed it. So if you did, then don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.